Hi, I'm Sekine, a financial planner. If you want to buy a property in Japan, let's study Japanese property and mortgage. Can foreigners get mortgage in Japan? Yes, but buying and borrowing are two different games. You can purchase a property here without a visa, yet banks will still ask a harder question. Can you repay us in Japan under Japanese rules? This video I'll show you who gets approved and who doesn't, and how to boost your chances of success. Let's start with the bottom line. Foreigners can and do get mortgage in Japan, but approval usually hinge on 4 levels. Your status in the country, the stability of your income and amount of cash you bring as a down payment, and the purpose of the loan, whether you will live in the property yourself or lend it out as an investment. If you line up all those 4, you are in the game. If you apply before they are ready, you are setting yourself up for a no. On status, permanent residents sit in the strongest position. If you are married to a Japanese national, some lenders will combine household income, which helps your debt-to-income ratio. If you hold a work visa, lenders look for a clean renewal history and enough time left on your current permit. A year or more remaining is a common comfort line. Employment matters as well. 2 or more years with the same employer signs stability, while a recent job switch on probation period invites extra scrutiny. Full-time employees are favored over contract or dispatch workers. If you are self-employed, expect to provide 2 to 3 years of tax return to provide consistent earning. Cash also speaks. Many foreign buyers ask for a down payment of 20% depending on the bank and the property. In addition, you should budget separate cash for closing cost, registration and stamp duties, brokerage, insurance, and bank fees. Credit behavior is equally important. Keep clean record, no later credit card payment, utilities paid on time, and bank data that shows regular income with sensible spendings. Lenders evaluate not only how much you earn but also how you manage money. An owner-occupied home is financed with a residential mortgage. A rental property requires an investment loan with different pricing and criteria. The process itself is straightforward if your documents are ready. First comes a press screen where the bank checks income, employment status, and existing debts. Next, you select a property and submit a purchase offer. For investment, look carefully at yield, vacancy, and repair history. The full review follows. The bank values the property as collateral and evaluates you as the borrower. Be ready to show where the money comes from, as an international transfer, saving record, or gift documents. After that, you execute the paperwork, the sales contract, the loan agreement, disclosures for mortgage insurance and the fire insurance. Finally, you close and take handover, registration, final payments, and the keys. With a clean file, 8 weeks is a common timeline. Missing documents can stretch it. What will banks actually ask for? Typically, your passport and residence card, certificate of residence, income proof such as a withholding slip or tax certificates, an employment contract or letter with recent pay slips, Japanese bank statement and evidence of source of your down payment. Property paper include the sales contract and statutory disclosures. Why do application fails? A short visa, fresh job change, weak proof of funds, especially overseas transfer without a clean paper trail, mismatch purpose and credit hiccups, such as later pays can delay otherwise a solid case. The fixes are practical. Keep your visa stable by renewing it on time and apply while you still have enough time left. Stabilize employment if you have changed jobs. Consider waiting until probation ends and bring a signed contract, plus strong income proofs. Increase your down payment to show more financial strength and make the banks feel more secure. Choose the right type of loan and, if possible, add your spouse to make your application stronger. Know the risk before you sign. Variable rates can reset, so build room for payment changes. If your income is abroad, your payment introduces foreign exchange risk. Real estate can't be turned into a cash quickly, An owned condo means paying for regular maintenance and good management. Japanese mortgage system reward preparation. Give 5 pillars in order: status, job, down payment, purpose, and documents. And approval is absolutely within reach for foreign borrowers. This is Sekine from Japanese Real Estate Information Channel. Please subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you next time.